Now we'll show you how to do a stair railing with an inline post. These are especially great when you have a long staircase because the handrail can continue right through and you don't have a post sticking up in the middle.
You can also install it using a graspable rail. This has a smaller profile, which makes it easier to grab onto, and as it comes down past the post, there's an end cap to keep everything nice and clean.
Let's do this. One of the main differences with the inline post at the bottom is the universal angle brackets. You don't have a top bracket because this accepts the railing. And then for the bottom UAB, you're gonna measure from this point here down 27 3/4, and that will be the top of the bottom bracket.
An important tip on locating the UAB on your top post is going to be taking a piece of your bottom rail, laying it across all of your nosings. You're going to want to make a mark at that intersection of the post and measure up from that mark to the bottom of your UAB. Once you have that measurement, you want to transfer it to your upper post so that your bottom rail is running parallel to your stairs. So now that you have your bottom UAB in place, you want to make sure that you measure from the top of the bottom UAB to the bottom of the top one, 28 5/8. Now that you have your top UAB in place, you want to measure from the inside of that bracket down to the end of your post and add 6 inches for the cut of your graspable rail. Top rail slides into the top UAB, then clicks down into place on the inline post. Now you want to level it up. Once you have it leveled up, you want to add a self-tapping screw through the rail and into the post. Now that that's attached, you want to pre-drill and attach it to the top UAB. There you go. Now screw in your bottom rail and drill your drainage holes. There you go. Now you're ready for pickets.
Regal Ideas has a patent locking system for all of their aluminum pickets. You can see the groove that's out of the side of the pickets. That locks into a notch that's in the bottom and the top rail. Once you hammer it into place and it slides easily, you know you've got it in the right spot. You good?
Yeah.
So I don't know. Yeah, might as well get.
Now with your cut spacers in place, finish off your rail with your end cap. There you have it, a continuous rail on an inline post and a graspable rail.